कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है कि इस नए एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। गाइज, वी आर हियर फॉर द टेक्निकल एनालिसिस फॉर द अपकमिंग वीक एंड ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ रिव्यू of or a summary of how this week has panned out. Last Friday we had categorically talked about a make it or a break it week. So what was the meaning of that and how the session by session action has panned out over this week. So let's quickly go back and check the summary for the previous week. Last week we had seen that Nifty range is between 15,000 and 14,800, and if we break above 14,862, the bias will be bullish and the target of 14,970. Now we went shy of this target by some 3-4 points. The high that we made in this week in Nifty is about 14,966, right? So about 3-4 points of this target is. And if we check for Bank Nifty as well, the target there is little more shy. It is shy of about 150 points. Okay, so the target that we had discussed was about 33,580, and high in this week we made is 33,297. That's about 33,300, and we went little shy of some 200 points in Bank Nifty as well. But then the most important thing which I had suggested, a tip for trader, that this is going to be a make it or break it kind of a week. So trade with caution. So after reaching to these highs, from there the ranges were not sustainable and both the indices started correcting. In less than 3 days we are seeing right now Nifty is down by about 1% and Bank Nifty is down by about 2.23%. So this is about the summary part of it. Let's quickly go and check what is the message for the day, right? This is the midday, during the day updates that we were posting about. And see, when participants ask about how can we create a position, short position in 14,800 or say 900. So I was suggesting, looks like Nifty may test 14,700 mark. This message was sent at about 2:30. And then within a very short span of time, 20 minutes or 25 minutes, we could see that this target of 14,700 getting completed. So on a 15-minute chart, if we see, then this is the candle wherein the target of 14,700 got completed. And from there, it is just consolidating for a while. Not very aggressive kind of action or a very bearish kind of action. Market is bearish, but it is sideways to bearish. So the action is not very aggressively bearish per se. Now we have to see this with a little pinch of salt, or slow moving kind of action that is happening in case of Nifty. So by study, by analysis part, we can actually talk about these levels, and these levels help us reach to a better analysis, and this is what will result into better kind of trades. So make it or break it. So this was my message today morning, 8:33. Make it or break it week, as I suggested on last Friday during last market kya lagta hai video. Not only the market obliged to our expectations, bullish targets got completed, then the reversal was also there. But when we look at this today's close, when we look at this today's closing price action, so the range was pretty clear, right? And between 14,800 and 14,500 is where I see Nifty right now, and for Bank Nifty 32,500 and 32,000. Now guys, mind you, before today's session started, we had calculated this range for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and even today this range is valid. So in a way, I have given you analysis for the coming week as well. This is going to be the range. Now how I am arriving at this decision that this is going to be a range, let's quickly go to that. So this is a Nifty chart. If we can say, this is an hourly chart of Nifty, and these are my drawings. So this was the range that we had drawn last week, right? So now last week ka ye range hai, and with respect to this range, the range is between 15,000 and 14,800. market opened gap up, right? And from there, it just sustained over there. Next day, it immediately gapped down. So it was an unsustainable level around approaching around 15,000. And from there, we are seeing a continuous bearishness. Mind you guys, since 16th of February, we have seen Nifty ka top. And from those levels, Nifty consistently is making lower highs and lower lows, but in a very consolidated manner. There is a concept called as time correction. So since last March 2020 till this 16th of February, Nifty was rearing ahead. It was very bullish, aggressive kind of a move. So whatever journey Nifty has completed within a very short span of time, there'll be some time correction where the market will be sideways, not aggressively bearish. And this is something is called as a time correction, which is happening right now in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So we have this range right now. This is what has happened during the entire week. Now, interestingly, what we have to see here is that if we can continue this journey downwards, so the range or the target that we are talking about is just 14,800 and 14,500. So if this is the range we are talking about, then the downward target is not as much. It's hardly, let's say 180 points target currently remaining. So if we can see a bounce, let's say up till 14,800, at least 14,700 that we have seen today. But if we see some bounce, then the target will make a little more sense. So this is about Nifty. Right now, today, we are going to talk about this range. The market is most likely to remain in a range. And if it breaks below 14,500, then we may say that this next target of 14,300 will be a crucial target. So for now, we are going to talk only about this level of 14,500 as our first target, right? It's a small target, but only and only once we cross below 14,500, then and only then we can expect prices to reach to around 14,300, not unless that. So I'm pretty clear with whatever I'm suggesting you right now. And when we look at Bank Nifty chart, so even in case of Bank Nifty, this is the hourly chart of Bank Nifty. See, this is a base that is already there at around 30,400 mark, right? 30,400 mark, the base is already there. Then there is a high, and we are seeing a lower high right now here. So naturally, the target for Bank Nifty could be, if you calculate Fibonacci as per this, so there can be one more target. But here as well, I am expecting that market to remain range bound between this range of 32,500 and 32,000. So 32,000 is something that I'm looking here. Okay, so this is the range. And if we break below this zone, then this target 31,259 can be one of the important level for Bank Nifty. So the level that we are looking at 31,259, and I'll just put this same into coordinates as well. Right, so if we break below this zone, then this 31,259 can be the target for Bank Nifty as well. But breaking down below this range is very important. During this phase, we may also see the prices reaching out to 32,500 again to form a lower high, and then the next higher low is possible. Right now, market appears little choppy, sideways but bearish. So there'll not be any aggressive fall, and you have to be cautious while you are taking the trades. The best way to trade a choppy market is to cut down on your position sizing. Don't take aggressive trades, don't take aggressive positions, and that will help you manage your risk. And managing the risk is the only way by which you can control the positions and control your emotions. As easy as that, right? I'm stopping here. Thank you for your time watching this episode. If you have liked this episode, do subscribe to our channel and do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much.